lovelies, I'm Kerry Welstead and I'm here at Abbott Cosmetics doing a 3-day beginner's course in scalp micropigmentation with...
And I am Jessica Abbott. So we're hosting the course here in my clinic, which is based in Canterbury, Kent. So I first met Kerry actually through Instagram during lockdown for tough times for us all.
Yep.
And she absolutely inspired me with all of her work.
Likewise.
Yeah, and we're both trainers. We both cover all areas of permanent makeup and obviously scalp micropigmentation. And actually, I was going more into teaching. I know Kerry was teaching as well. Scalp micropigmentation is such an up and coming trend at the moment. I just felt that there was a need for it.
We are both so into what we do, borderline obsessive, and I think because there is such a niche in the market for this, we were just so keen and really felt like we could bring some real value, make the courses educational of course, but fun as well. So much fun. Hopefully they can have fun.
Yes, that is definite. So we've got 3 experienced permanent makeup artists in.
And why don't you come with us and we'll show you what the course involves.
Lately I have learned that they come and they go just as fast. They are slowly fading through the smoke and I can hear myself think I'm alright. I'm alright.
So you want to be going in the direction of the hair around there. Yeah?
Get the like, so like say like that bit, Jess is kind of at the angle for that, so Jess can like do those.
That's what I'm doing. She's doing that. So look, watch. Going in at that angle. And then just sporadically still coming out with them because that's naturally, actually, look what it can do. And put some there.
So yeah, you can see it's not perfectly straight parting, perfect. And then the hairline again, like there's less hair here, so I'll probably break a bit there, do a few little scattered ones there because that mirrored that side. So Jess and I have just finished our first scalp micropigmentation course that we've hosted together, and it was a 3-day beginner's course specifically tailored for experienced permanent makeup artists.
Our first day we covered lots of theory based, all to do with hair loss and what scalp micropigmentation entails. The students had a little go on melons and bananas, fruits, practice skin, which they all really picked up really well. And then we moved on to day 2, which was where me and Kerry had a little demo. With that we did male pattern hair loss and female, so I could get to see a little bit of both. Today we did, it was all the live demos for the students, so they got
did
to
brilliant,
do,
didn't they?
They did absolutely
Really well.
amazing, and we managed to get a little bit of everything, didn't we? So we had density, we had male pattern baldness, we had obviously the density on a male as well, and female. Yeah, and it went really well.
So what's been really nice as well, and I think you'll agree, Jess, is that where we had, as Jess just mentioned, such a variety of models, we had, as I said, like the bold, full bold head for a male, we've had lots of female density, another full male pattern boldness as well. We've had really different skin textures, and I think for us, seeing our students, they are PMU artists, but doing scalp is so different. So seeing our students sort of pick it up, do really well, understand it.
Yeah, it was incredible. And we also got to try so many different needles that Killer Beauty had provided to us.
Yeah.
And they really do have a really big range, and they were all good, wasn't
Really
they?
good.
They really worked well on all the different skin types, because they did experience everything, really.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Really good.
Hi, I'm Hayley from North London.
And I'm Josie, and I'm from Leigh-on-Sea.
We've just completed a 3-day course with Scalp Sistas, Kerry and Jess. Yeah, I think the course went really well actually. The girls both taught us in a really relaxed manner, but very professional. I feel like we've learnt loads, don't we?
We got to ask loads of questions and get loads of information from them.
And the course size was small, which means that you get total one-to-one, which is really good. So I think we've come away feeling confident to go back into the salon, haven't we already?
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, we're going to go away, do some case studies, and then hopefully be ready to go out there and do it.
Yeah, we'll be back.
So thanks for watching, everybody. We hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your comments below.
We also have another course coming out in the autumn time, so make sure that you keep an eye out on both Jess and my pages. So mine's Kerry Welstead, PMU and SMP, and Jess's is
Jessica Abbott, PMU.
Thank you very much, guys.